Hello guys, today we're talking about the Thrustmaster T98 Ferrari 296 GTB wheel and pedal set, and right out of the box, it feels surprisingly solid. This isn't one of those cheap plastic wheels that feels like a toy. The wheelbase and pedals have a sturdy weight, and once you mount it to a desk or cockpit, it immediately feels built for real racing sessions. The wheel itself is comfortable to grip, with an intuitive button layout that doesn't feel messy or confusing. What really stands out is the force feedback, which gives you smooth resistance as you turn, brake, and hit bumps on the track. It adds a level of immersion that makes racing games feel way more realistic without needing an ultra-expensive setup. The pedals are also impressive for the price. The brake has a firm, progressive push, and the throttle responds smoothly, helping you control speed more naturally in corners. Setup is quick and painless on both PC and console, so you spend less time troubleshooting and more time racing. Overall, the T98 Ferrari 296 GTB set delivers great feedback, solid control, and a big upgrade from a regular controller, making it a strong choice for anyone getting into sim racing.